So guys, for today we will check how to adjust the steering wheel of turbo G variant and E for Toyota Raize. For me, this is the G variant. Oops, nalako. So yun yung pagkaiba ng E at saka G and turbo. So for now, dumi pa loob oh. So for now, I will show you how to adjust the steering wheel. So ito, nakikita nyo to. Ito yung, we need to pull this one. Pull this one and put it up or down like this. And lock it again here if you prefer that position like that. Dalawang ano lang naman siya eh. Ito, then lock it here again, but for me I prefer the previous one, so I will put it back in that position. So pull, put it down, then lock it here. Okay, so Raize. So this is my Toyota Raize G variant with turbo wheels.